Hello everyone, this is Dr. Anvesha from Dontia Dental Care, Kolkata. I'm here with a series of videos on dental information and education. Now that we have spoken about how to replace a missing teeth, it's time for you to know what happens if you do not replace the missing teeth in this third part of the series. If you have missed the previous two videos, check out the links in the description box. Now let's begin and show you why. The teeth in the front and back of the missing teeth tend to tilt to fill in the gap created by the missing tooth, causing periodontal or gum problems. This is called drifting. The tooth of the opposite jaw also tends to over-erupt to fill in the space over time, leading to gum recession. That is, the gums pull back from the tooth surface. This is called overeruption or supraeruption, which means the tooth comes down. When the patient continues to chew like that, migration and calculus deposition now takes place at a faster pace, leading to more damage. Not only that, these red areas are also the potential place for caries or cavity formation. As a result of that, the drifted and over-erupted tooth become loose and fall off. This sets off a chain reaction, and now the surrounding teeth of bigger missing teeth space starts drifting and over-erupting, becoming loose. This can be compared to a stack of files and books, how when one book is pulled out from the middle, the others also tilt from this position. That is why it is important to maintain the balance by replacing the missing tooth. This disruption in balance not only affects the chewing and functioning of teeth, but also leads to migraine, TMD, backache, shoulder pain, and not many people are aware of it. No one remains without teeth when it comes to the front teeth. But people tend to forget about the back teeth. But now that we are talking about the front tooth, our next video is on veneers. So the question is, how long does it take for a tooth to drift? Some teeth begin to move immediately after your extraction procedures, while others take years to move out of place. Like, share and subscribe our channel for more dental related information, and press the bell icon so that you do not miss our next video.